Uh-oh, it's a river. It's a big river. We cannot jump over it. We cannot jump over it. How can we get around it? How can we get around it? What should we do? I know. We have to swim. Let's go. All right, we crossed it. Well done.